So hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video of Marvel Spider-Man. I hope you remembered in the last episode we had a dinner with MJ, but since Spider-Man for some reason doesn't deserve a normal life, gets a call that Martin Lee is trying to abduct the chief financial officer of Oscorp, and I'm sure that the officer knows something about the Devil's Breath. That's why Lee is chasing him. So let's swing by it to rescue him. Alright, so I'm in his mansion vent, and if you are wondering why I'm going from the vent, well, that's because the demons are already all over the place. So let's take out these demons quietly. Alright, now let's web up the last guy and talk to the CFO, Chief Financial Officer, about what were the demons after. Well, the situation is getting out of control, so while our trusted Spider-Man handles the situation by himself, let me tell you what the CFO told me. So, CFO told me that the demons wanted to know about Dr. Isaac Delaney. Well, that's a new name, and since the CFO distributes the salary, he would obviously have the details of Dr. Delaney as he works for Oscorp too. Why am I telling you this? This is basic information. Anyways, since his name starts with Doctor, I'm guessing he is the inventor of Devil's Breath. Now that Lee is after Dr. Delaney, we would have to find him before Lee does. Otherwise, Lee's gonna possess the doctor and eventually we'll figure out the location of Devil's Breath. And that's not what we want. Alright, I think the situation is under control. Well, I wouldn't call it exactly under control, but I think we are both safe. Yeah. Oh, damn. I was scared for a second. I thought we were both gonna die. Well, we saved the CFO, now we have to save Dr. Isaac Delaney before Lee gets to him. And thankfully, I have my trusted partner MJ who told me that Dr. Delaney is at a Halloween costume party. That's weird. What is one of the top doctors doing at a Halloween costume party? Anyways, to make my work more easy, she sent me a photo of three guys, and one of them is definitely Dr. Delaney. So I guess we can reach to him really quickly, so let's go before Lee gets to him. Alright, so I'm here, and this is where the Halloween party is going on.
Halloween party.
The decoration looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's a perk. I don't have to change into Peter Parker. I can just use my powers here. So let's start hunting these three from the right side, because right is always right. So first comes this Mysterio guy.
Spider-Man, my nemesis. You won't catch me this time.
Oh no, smoke. Whatever will I do?
What the hell? Let's walk into this weird museum type thingy.
This is the end for you, Spider-Man.
We'll see about that.
Now I have you.
Bro, this guy really has a gun? What the hell? Wow.
Hey, what's
Apparently
wrong?
he's a
I worked
rich
on that
brat
house
and
for a
also a poor mannered kid.
I need to find Dr. Delaney.
He's out in the party somewhere. Who are you?
I'm your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
He's gonna regret it so much when he finds out I'm really his friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Anyways, now let's find that vulture guy. Alright, there he is, and what the hell is he doing? Children? You have children? What the hell? Now how am I supposed to get up there? Aha! I don't figure out that. The game figures out that and tells me. I just have to follow that waypoint. Alright, so wait. You are using your gymnastic skills?
I'm looking for
Isn't
Isaac
that like a giveaway that you are Spider-Man?
He's on the dance floor.
Oh,
There he
dance
is.
floor.
The lizard
Oh,
man.
look at his moves. Oh, yeah, buddy, yeah. Chilling high, you are about to get abducted, stupid. Let me go and rescue him. Alright, so Dr. Delaney should be around here. Wait, this guy. What the hell is your problem, dude? Get the F out of my way. I think he's one of those high school bullies, you know, that we see in American movie. Oh my god, I got distracted. He just got... Oh shit, he got abducted. You want a taste of my punch, you stupid? I'm gonna give you my experience you will never forget. After this, you will never try to pick on small looking kids. I mean, smaller than him, you know. Like Spider-Man has a slender body and average looking height, but that guy is huge as F. Like, so that's why. Anyways, let's go follow them. I was so distracted that I didn't even notice that he got abducted. Let's open this window and jump in. Alright, so what do we have in here? What is this logic? I jumped in through the window, but I came out through the
Tell
vent.
me what you want.
I think it's all cinematic now, right?
joke, right?
Let me grab my food. I'm really hungry.
Now.
Come on. Sit back and relax.
Let him go.
Wait. Let me clear my hands. Okay. Nice. You did told me that there is some player interaction. Come on, bro. You shouldn't have messed with me while I was eating my food. Now let's get them into one place and activate my spider bro. Come on, spider bro, kill them all. Wait, did he really? Oh, nice. Good work, spider bro. You can go into my pocket again.
Happy Halloween.
I think he's like Pikachu of Ash Ketchum. You know, like he doesn't like to go into the Pokeball back again. So I think that's what the scenario is here. Anyways, now let's see where did the doctor, what was that? What was his name? Dr. Isaac Delaney went. If you want to know that why did I pause the game, that's because I want to finish my food, okay? I'm a little hungry. Let me resume my, no, pause my recording for a bit. Alright, so I'm back and okay, there's no Dr. Delaney and there is no Dr. Delaney. I don't see Dr. Delaney anywhere. I think I have to clear this room first, then I will be able to access Dr. Delaney. Delaney? What am I even saying? Anyways, let's kill these, no, fight these guys. Spider-Man doesn't kill anyone, okay? I know, the killing clip wasn't satisfying. Well, that's because I was using electric webs and sockets in the fight. That kills them even before I get to touch them. So, that's not my fault at all. Alright, so now let's jump through this window and... what is this weird controls? Come on, give me a 3D. What is this in 2D? Oh well, we found Dr. Delaney. Well, where are they taking him? I guess they are taking him to Martin Lee, you know, so that he can possess him. These demons can't use Martin Lee's power, otherwise they would be too overpowered. Martin Lee can't trust anyone with his powers. What am I even saying? Anyways, let's observe quietly.
Who are you? You recently began working with someone in an Oscorp lab.
How do you know that?
We don't have much time, Isaac. Tell me his name.
Oh, come on, bro, jump in already. He's activating his powers. Come on. What are you waiting for, Spider-Man? And he possessed him. What the hell are you waiting for? Wow, now you show up. Nice. After he get possessed, then you show up. Oh my god.
The show's not
Wait, did he absorb the power from his... oh shit. Yeah, he did absorb the power from his own men, sir.
His name, Dr. Morgan Michaels.
Oh no, he exposed the name of doctor that knows the location of Devil's Breath. No, bro, no. Oh, wait, is he gonna make him commit suicide? That's horrible, dude. You have turned into a brutal villain. Oh, damn. Not a social worker anymore. Come on, bro, Spider-Man. Kill them and chase after him faster. Alright, this fat ass is dead too, and now let's go and find Lee. Guys, what is he doing to those kids? I guess they became evil. I think I would have to stop them so that they don't get hurt. Hey, yo, leave me alone. See, something like that. You like web them up. Don't beat them. So let's see if I can web them up. I have to beat them in order to web them up. So don't mind, guys. My bad. Sorry. Let me choose web bomb so that, you know, like web them up. Come on, guys. Stop grabbing a grip of me. Okay, nice. And web this guy up and oh no, not that guy. He's already so evil without your powers. How hard could it be? Let's just beat him up. Alright guys, time for some beatboxing. Come on, just die already, you stupid rhino. Alright, time for the final move. Final ride. Ooh, that was harsh. Well, he kinda deserved it. He basically helped the doctor get kidnapped. I guess we should blame his parents who didn't stop him when he was being an asshole during his childhood.
Yeah, that's me.
Anyways,
I'll explain
I
later.
think
But
that
right
should
now, you
be
need
it
to
for
find
today's
Dr.
video.
Morgan
We'll meet you in the
Michaels. Morgan
next
Lee's
one.
coming after
Till
him.
then, take care and bye bye.